Hey guys, so I found this cup at Ross or TJ Maxx. I'll show you the price in just a second. But I thought it was such a cool, Ross, $8.99. I loved the design of this. I thought the top was really cool, how it just popped open and it's clear. It's just really pretty and it's got this little silicone strap. So I just thought it was really cute and I wanted to put epoxy on it. So first I just prepped it with vinyl sand, of course. Then just taking the silver metallic spray paint and doing the bottom. It's already silver, but there's like that little kind of logo showing. So I wanted to cover that up. And then this silver is also just a shinier silver than the stainless. Then taking the French lilac color. This color combo was so pretty. I loved how it turned out. The silver and this kind of lavender lilac color. I loved it so much. So I just kind of did an ombre effect with the spray paint. And then let that dry. Once it was dry, I put a layer of epoxy on it. And this is the DIY Artisan Fast Set that I'm putting on. And as you can see, I just have it on the foam right now. Later in the video, you'll see where I have it on like the little red kind of, I don't even know what you call those. The red thing, it holds it on way better. I'll hopefully do a video on those soon and how to attach them because it holds it way better and way more level than just using foam or trying to tape it on or all the other weird things. So the next day I went ahead and did some leopard spots just in the bottom silver using some Mod Podge. So I just went on and did different sized little kind of random spot shapes so we could coat it with this really pretty like lavender colored chunky mix glitter. Which this is a sample glitter, so maybe you'll see something like this from me soon.
Better say something that would change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to.
I thought it would be really pretty to try a chunky glitter for my leopard spots. I haven't done that before, I don't think. I've just kind of used more smaller cut glitter, and I think it turned out really pretty with the bigger chunky cut in there. Then of course on the bottom just doing a couple little leopard spots just to make it cute on the bottom too. So I just leave the extra glitter until it dries and then I wipe it off with a like dry paintbrush. That way you're not trying to wipe it off while it's still wet and messing up your spots. So here I'm just taking some Mod Podge and I added a little bit of black dye to it. You can use paint, you can use whatever. I think it just looks better in the end if you do this.
I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
And then I'm using black onyx glitter from Walmart. This is like everyone's favorite black glitter and it's just from Walmart. So if you haven't tried this, try it out, but it is really pretty and it definitely doesn't disappear when you put epoxy on it. So just going around kind of outlining my spots. Some I do all the way around, some I do just, it's just random, and I feel like it's the hardest thing to make your hand do like random motions and like just, I don't know, it's just like the messier and the more uneven, and just like I find when I just don't really think about it too much is when I like how it turns out more. So just continue to outline and glitter them as I go. Then I like to go in and add just little extra spots of just black. I feel like it really fills it in and helps make it look really nice.
It's been 3 weeks and you're a little insecure, but let me tell you what I'm feeling. I promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets, won't play with your heart.
Then again, I just let it dry to the next day, and I left the extra glitter on there until it was dry and just wiped it off. So after I wiped it off, I did 2 more layers of epoxy and using the DIY fast set and just rubbing it on there, and then I do torch it after a few minutes too.
I promise you that I'll change. I'll do anything for you. I promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets, won't play with your heart.
And then she was done. And I think this turned out really pretty. I really love the chunky glitter in the leopard print. And I love this cup. I don't know where you can find them, but I just thought it was so cool with the clear lid. And I think the lid matches so well with the silver at the bottom. And yeah, I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets, won't play with your heart. Baby, I'm down if you're down, just say the words.